My mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Ijoma, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this gorgeous wig from Ashimary hair. This is a 13 by 6 HD transparent invisible frontal lace wig, and guys, this hair feels and looks so amazing. And I'm very sure you're seeing it, like you're seeing the hair. I know you can't feel the texture, but you can see how gorgeous this hair looks. And we're going to be styling this hair in two different ways. This style you're seeing now, and I was going to tell you the second style, but you have to watch this video till the end to see the final look. The second way we'll be styling this hair. This hair feels so amazing. The texture of this hair feels so amazing. You can see that the coils, it's bouncing, it's giving, right? Watch this video till the end.
A quick unboxing video before we get right into styling this hair. So this was how the package came to me. We have this beautiful box, and they sent this nightwear or robe. I don't know what you guys call it, but here we call it nightwear, like a robe nightwear, I think. So this came and it has their name on it, Ashimary hair. And we also have a hair bonnet, Ashimary hair. I'm going to wear this right now because it's looking cute. We also have lashes, and we have a hairband, elastic hairband, very stretchy. We also have a wig cap, two wig caps, and you can see we have an edge brush. I loved every single thing that came with the box. Now let's get right into this hair, the main reason why we're here. So this was how the hair came. This is a 24 inches 13 by 6 full invisible HD transparent lace frontal body wave wig, and it's 250% density. This is one hair that'll be very easy to maintain. The hair feels very soft with no smell, no shredding, very full, even fuller than I expected, and very true to length. See the transparent HD lace, it looks so soft and thin, helping the hair melt perfectly. Also, one good thing I love about this hair is the fact that the knot is bleached already. You can see it, it's also pre-plucked. Let's also not forget about the deep pattern of the lace. It's very lovely. You can tell that I'm feeling the hair, and I just want to say thank you so much Ashimary hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get right into styling this hair.
In my mouth is a desert, running dry on the tip of my tongue. I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as you're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep any more. Are we out of time? Will we be swallowed whole? Don't give up on us now. I can feel you there, where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold. But I will wait and hold my breath till that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue. You're tall as the ocean. the love you throw around. I could never hold you down. You're tall as the so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the you're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep anymore. Are we out of time? Will we be swallowed whole? Don't give up on us now. I can feel you there, where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold. But I will wait and hold my breath till that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion.
So guys, this is the hair without styling. It still looks very nice, it's giving, but my stylist has some magical touches to still do. And like I said earlier, this is a 13x6 frontal wig from Ashimary hair, and I love this hair. It's giving, it's so lightweight. It's not even like I'm wearing the hair, but we still have some styles would love to try. And stay tuned, don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere.
You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the you're tall as the ocean, and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep anymore. Are we out of time? Will we be swallowed whole? Don't give up on us now. I can feel you there, where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here.
You can see that this hair has a C-part, and my stylist gave us because it's me and you this beautiful gorgeous coils, which I'm loving so much. So we're going to restyle the hair, and you tell me what you think. Tell me which style you like most, this one or the next style.
Time, will we be swallowed whole? Don't give up on us now. I can feel you there, where I once had you all alone. In the back of my mind, I'm under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold. But I will wait and hold my breath till that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue, that turn blue. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. You're tall as the ocean, so full of emotion. I
guys, this hair is fire. It's fire. I love it so much. I love the fact that the coils is very pronounced. You know, there's some hairs you would coil and it won't be giving that coil like this. You know what I mean? I love this hair so much, and I would definitely recommend. Further details about this hair is in my description box below. Kindly click on the link to shop. There are different inches, different density. One other thing I would like to point out here is that this hair on the website, it's 13 by 6 frontal lace, but I think it's actually more than that, which is a very good thing for those that have bigger head than mine, because my head is very small. For those that have a wider face, it's perfect for you. The lace goes out, like it's very pronounced, and for those that would still want to do extra customization on their wig, on their lace, perfect for you. I'm sorry, I'm having like a little audio issue. It's currently raining and I'm having a little audio issues, but I hope you can hear me clearly. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share. Also, most importantly, do not forget to shop this hair. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.